Hey guys, Steven here from Capit. We got the new Alu-Cab Family Sleeper here, first one in Canada, and we're going to show you the ins and outs of it. A little cold out here today though, it's -10, so we're going to bring it inside the shop. All right, now that we're inside, let's talk about some of the exterior differences on the Family Sleeper versus your conventional two-sleeper system that Alu-Cab's had for quite a few years now. So as you'll notice on the original, it is a wedge style two-sleeper tent. It opens from the back up. Now if we move back to the Family Sleeper, we haven't opened it yet, but you will notice that it is going to open up onto the side, and then there's a fold out that gives you more room. Some of the other differences, just the overall shape of the roof is different than the standard unit. It still comes with similar features though. You've got the integrated top tracks for mounting crossbars, so you can put gear on top, you can put solar panels. We've got solar up there right now. Another cool little feature with these units is you can now get windows or non-windows on the ModCAP variants. The original canopy campers and Alu-Cabins, they were just a solid door. So it's really nice to be able to have that option, so when you're inside, you can see what's happening on the outside. So moving on around to this side here, you're going to notice this really cool plate that's got Alu-Cab engraved in, as well as our Capit logo. This cover plate here, not only does it look awesome with the orange accents above, it also now hides your solar pass-through, as well as there is an air vent here to just help deal with condensation and moisture. So that's hidden behind. And then wrapping around to this side, if you're familiar with the canopy campers and the Gen 3R tents, they all use a kind of standard awning bracket. Those ones don't work on this. There are new brackets to hang the 270 shadow awning onto the Family Sleeper. All right, so now that we're in, let's get this opened up. So this is going to open here, and then we have a panel that is going to fold out. And while it's folding out, there's a support bracket down here to prevent, if you're sitting on the edge here, you don't want it to buckle. So there's a release here, a little green tab that comes out, and those two are going to join together, and it will click when it's locked in. And it's opened up. Now you're ready to put your prop rods in. There we go. Now we're ready to go inside. For getting into your sleeping area, there are two access ports. You've got your first one here. This is going to allow you to climb up to go to bed. You can bring it back down after. But if you're needing to walk around down here, or say stand up, get changed, and need a little bit more room, this second panel also comes up. So you've got an area that you can stand in. The most noticeable difference with the Family Sleeper is how much more room you have upstairs. So this configuration, it's actually designed to take up to 4 people, but rather than the old style of canopy camper where you're going to sleep front to back on the vehicle, this one you're sleeping side to side. So we have a full-size sleeping bag there for comparison, and we've got more than half of the bed folded up right now, so tons of room. You could theoretically also sleep opposite if you want, whatever works best for you and your family. So once you're up here, you can close her down. You have all this mattress space. It's absolutely huge. I'm a big guy, and this is a massive bed for me. I'd be very comfortable up here with my wife and my kids. Another cool part of this unit is going to be the skylight. Camera should be able to get a good angle of it. You've got a massive skylight window here. There is also a privacy cover for it as well too, if you like sleeping in the morning and you don't want light bothering you. That is actually another cool feature with Alu-Cab tents, is that their fabric is full blackout. So if you like sleeping in the morning and you don't like light, this is the tent for you. All right, so some other cool features with this family sleeper that comes standard. So you can see the National Luna light above myself here. There's another one on the opposite end. These are dual function lights, so they're white 3 settings or red 3 settings. You've also got some nice storage pockets for both sides. Also, you've got USB power ports. So you've got USB-C, 2 ports, and 1 USB-A, and also a cigarette lighter port. That's on both sides. Another cool part too is the light switch. You don't have to sit up in bed to shut your light off. You can just flick the switch that's right down here, and it's time for bed. Lastly, another cool feature, depending on how you configure your family sleeper unit, if you already have a diesel furnace and you don't want to have to purchase like a Dickinson Marine type furnace for your camper, the family sleeper has integrated diesel heater ports on both sides, one right behind me and one just at the back there. So one of the other cool features with the family sleeper is the multiple entry ports. You know, if you've got a couple people in your family that tend to sleep in more than you, or the other way around, if you get the person that likes to wake up early towards the back, they can actually not disturb the 3 people that are here. They can hop out of bed just where the camera is there, and they can come down and out, and the rest of your family can stay asleep. Now that we're back downstairs, I'm going to show you a couple features that we've added to our ModCAP build. This is something that you could get at any of your Capit stores that you visit. We've got our Alu-Cab 50-liter water tank, which is awesome to have fresh drinking water that's just securely mounted. You don't have to carry jugs or anything like that. We've also got it plumbed in here for our Julka, so you can take a nice hot shower. And we also, on this side, you can't see it right now, but on the back, we've got a gravity feed for cleaning pots and pans outside. On top of the water tank, we have the bag kit, which is just nice for a little bit of extra storage. That's also an Alu-Cab product. Below that, we've outfitted this with the goose gear. Now we've got the bed plate, we've got drawers on this side here, and we've got top storage bins where I'm sitting and just right there. We also have a bulkhead panel as well. This is actually what hides our power management system. It's a really good place to put the power management system. You can kind of see the AGM battery right there. The reason why we moved it back here is because this space is not as important as the space in this back corner here, which is where most power systems are usually configured. This is like A1 real estate. When you're outside and you need to reach in and grab something, you don't want to have to reach all the way to the front because that's where your storage is. So we put something like the power management system right out of the way in an area that, you know, if you need to get to it, you can, but it's out of the way, and you can use this real estate for important things like chairs and anything else. If you don't have a diesel heater system and aren't planning on using these integrated diesel heater ports, we do have an option for the Canadian-made Dickinson Marine furnace. Great quality product, runs on propane, keeps this space absolutely toasty. Unless you're in sub-zero conditions, you're keeping it on low. Relatively easy install and gives a very nice ambiance inside at night. You kind of get a gas fireplace look happening here. This has been an in-depth look at the new ModCAP Family Sleeper. If you're interested in it and want to learn more, please feel free to reach out to any of our Capit stores or visit us at shop.capit.com for more information.